Welcome to AI Video Maker 101, a beginner's guide to creating videos with artificial intelligence. In this video, we'll explore the exciting world of AI-powered video creation tools and how you can use them to produce professional-looking videos without any technical expertise. Before we dive into the details of AI video making, let's take a moment to understand what artificial intelligence really means. AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think, learn, and problem-solve like humans. By leveraging AI technology, video making tools can automate various tasks and enhance the creation process. There are several benefits to using an AI video maker. Firstly, it saves you time and effort by automating time-consuming tasks like video editing, scene transitions, and adding visual effects. Secondly, it eliminates the need for specialized skills or expensive equipment, making video production accessible to everyone. Lastly, AI video makers come with a vast library of stock footage, music, and templates to choose from, making the creative process easier and more enjoyable. When selecting an AI video maker, it's important to consider a few key factors. Look for a tool that offers a user-friendly interface, a wide range of customization options, and good customer support. Additionally, consider the pricing plans and features offered by different platforms to find the best fit for your video creation needs. Now that you understand the basics of AI video making, let's dive into creating your first video. We'll walk you through the steps of selecting a template, customizing scenes, adding text and transitions, and finally exporting your video. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a professional-looking video ready to share with the world. Congratulations on completing our beginner's guide to creating videos with artificial intelligence. We hope this video has demystified the process and inspired you to explore the world of AI video making. Get creative, experiment with different styles, and enjoy the journey of crafting visually appealing videos with the power of AI.